Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your Shein account. If you go to your Shein app, go to your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen and then go to the settings icon. There you'll not find the delete account option anywhere. So, in order to delete your Shein account, you'll have to request account deletion to Shein by sending them an email. So open your mail. It may be Google, Yahoo, AOL or anything. Simply open it. After that, compose a mail, and you'll have to compose a mail to data@shein.com. And if you don't want to type that in, I'll have it in the description. You can copy that from there. And then in the subject, type in delete my Shein account. Now in the body, you can type in your own reason why you are deleting your Shein account, but if you don't, you can simply copy what I write over here. I'll leave it in the description. Now once you've written the reason, you'll also have to write your email ID, so simply write that in. And once you've written all of these, send the mail, and once the mail is sent, they'll get back to you within a few times. And after that, once you follow all the steps provided to you, you'll be successfully able to delete your Shein account from your mobile device. So that is how you delete your Shein account. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.